Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change name color on Discord. Well, before we start, I would like you to leave a like. It would help me a lot. Thank you. Well, the first step is to go to Settings. Then we go to Accessibility. Show role colors and name. Now go to the server name up here. Server settings. Roles. Create role, and here we create a new role or choose one already created. Choose the color. In Manage Members, put your user or the user of the person you want. And now we have the red color in our name. If you found it useful, a like and a subscription would help me a lot. If not, leave me a comment and I'll be glad to help you. Thanks.